If you're wondering whether one or two hearing aids are right for you, the best first step is to get tested. The good news is we don't guess. With a full hearing assessment, we can show you exactly what's happening with each ear. Even if one ear is stronger than the other, we're able to balance the sound using precise programming with real ear measurements. This ensures that each ear is getting the amplification that it needs based on your ear's shape and hearing loss. No guessing, no one size fits all, just tailored care based on data. I want you to think of it this way. Getting one hearing aid when you really need two is like walking around with one lens in your glasses. It sort of works, but you're making life way harder than it needs to be. If you're wondering whether one or two hearing aids are right for you, the best first step is to get tested. Book a consultation with your local audiologist or come see us if you're nearby, and we'll walk through everything together, clearly and honestly, so that you can feel confident in your choice.